Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a song with Suno AI. So what you have to do is to go to this website suno.com, and you would see the create option. Click on create option and you can choose between the simple or the custom options. If you choose the simple option, you can create a song. You can choose a song or generate a song on any topic of your choice. uh, you can also scroll down to choose the type of music you want to um, create. You can choose daft punk, no style, saxophone, ambient, Kurdish, frustration, cute, storytelling, lyrics, and the likes. So this is how to create a song with the text to speech option. These are the songs that I have created. Now, one thing to know is that once you create a an account with Suno AI, you have your song creation will be on the 4 points on the version 4 model. But as you create, I think maybe about 10 songs, you would be reduced to the 3.5 model, which is still good but not as good as the 4 model. So this is how to create a song. Now, okay, I can create this song by, let's say I want to create a song about um politics. So this is, I can say, I can choose the storytelling lyrics, I can choose anime inspired and heavy bass drop. Now all I have to do is to click on create and wait for it to create the song for me. Now it has created the songs for us. We can go ahead and play them. This song is very, very good. So this is how to create a song with the text to speech option on suno.com.